Multiply 48 by 78 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Put 4 in this column and carry 6. 8 times 4 plus the carried 6 is 38. The first partial product is 384. Now use the tens digit, 7. Start one place to the left. 7 times 8 is 56. Put 6 in this column and carry 5. 7 times 4 plus the carried 5 is 33. The second partial product is 3,360. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the tens column, 8 plus 6 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 7. In the thousands column, bring down 3. The whole negative number product is 3,744. So 48 times 78 is 3,744.